Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be talking to you about my bad experience at the Blackburn Lucas garage, or whatever you call it, dealership. So I booked an appointment for getting my car checked for free because I rang the woman because I've got a brake booster which the connector has, the wires come off the connector. You can literally see it. I've done a video on that as well, so you'll see that soon. So basically the wire has fully come off, so it's a very simple thing. The guy outside, the first guy who saw us, he was very nice and friendly, so thank you for that. It's the second guy I have a complaint against because he was very rude and being very aggressive. Not aggressive, like he's trying to push you towards doing whatever he wanted. You know what I mean? Assertive, that's it. That's the word I'm looking for. So yeah, so this is inside the garage now. Okay, so as you can see here, they are inspecting my car, but they're not even inside my car for that long. He said he scanned the car, but I highly doubt it because even an expensive machine takes a while to scan the codes. And secondly, he only found the airbag. When he came back, he said there's an airbag issue and you got the brake thing, so he definitely didn't scan the car, because the main thing he would have found is that the clutch has worn out, and there's other more serious issues, I guess, that he should have seen, but obviously he didn't know that it was there because he never scanned it. And as you can see, the outside talking and stuff, so they never did scan it. So he lied to me saying he scanned it. So yeah, so here they are chatting away, which is okay, fair enough, they're just working. So yeah, so under the bonnet is where the issue is. You can see the broken wire. I'll try put it in here so you can have a look. I'll add it into the video so you can see what was broken. As you can see, they're inspecting it now. So at no point did they really actually scan it, so that's what he kept saying to me, because he tried to charge me. I had a free appointment, which was just a visual check, which is fine. I even told the guy as well before he took the car keys away. So yeah, and then he tried to say, I said I don't want to get it done right now, so he said okay, it'll be £60. I said it was free visual check. He kept trying to push that I owe him £60 while holding my keys, so that's not. But then I showed him my screenshot of the actual email, and then I showed him the email showing that it was free. Okay, so this is my screenshot. As you can see, free express visual check with a 34 point visual check, which they probably didn't carry out anyway, but yeah, so it's completely free. They should have never even mentioned money. So yeah, I showed him all that, and he's still trying to make me pay. But then I said I signed everything, and he had the paperwork himself. He had a copy. So this is the man who was being assertive and stuff. The first guy was fine. The first guy that was driving the car, he was not very nice. It's this second guy that was inside the garage. He was very rude and assertive, which I didn't like. Okay, the guy walking in the back, he's a very nice guy, and the guy walking at the front is the one that had the problems with me. So yeah, so keep an eye on the timestamps. As you can see, the car has a hardwired dash cams in, so it comes on straight away when there's power. So you can't run a code reader without having power. So you can't check for codes without having power. So it's impossible. Looking at all the time frames, it's impossible. And secondly, the car makes some beeps and stuff, different beeps, different sounds when he's scanning, so none of them came up on the video, as you can hear. And thirdly, at the end of the scan, there's a very high pitch noise that comes when you're scanning, because there's a radio at the end, so it's like a check on the radio, and that didn't come up either. So he definitely didn't scan it, and they tried to charge me for that. And yeah, this was a very bad experience for me, and probably won't be back here anyway. And what I was going to say, one more thing I need to add on is The guy, even after seeing my paperwork, until the guy at the front desk told him it's free, he wouldn't back down. Okay, so the guy said to the front desk guy that, oh, why are we still taking these free visual checks, proper rudely to him as well, which was very mean of him. So yeah, this guy's just a very bad guy. Maybe he's just having a bad day, I don't know, but you shouldn't say that to customers. And I've seen all the reviews. It's all about the Lookers. Blackburn has bad reviews on the garage side. The dealership side is very fine, so something needs to be sorted out.